Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll be tackling a common problem that many of us may face while working with Terminal on macOS. Picture this. You're used to entering commands like reboot on your Linux machines via SSH, but one day, you accidentally type sudo reboot on your Mac. Uh-oh, suddenly you find that some of your Firefox history is gone, among other things. What a problem, right? Now let's talk about the solution. The key here is to create a new reboot command in the usrlocalbin directory, ensuring that it takes precedence in your system's path variable. By doing this, you'll effectively override the existing reboot command and prevent any accidental mishaps in the future. Problem solved. In summary, if you ever find yourself in a situation where a mistaken sudo reboot on your Mac causes unexpected consequences, fear not. Simply create a new reboot command in the usrlocalbin directory to avoid any future mishaps. And that's a wrap for today. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding.